Hello everyone, this is Professor Vincent Torre Bongolan. In this video, I will be going to illustrate how to put or add numbers in the column A. For example, what we always do is that we add 1 and then 2 and then we highlight the two numbers until and then we put our cursor at the bottom part, and then if we saw the plus sign button, we double click this usually. Okay, and as you can see, there's already number 1818. Okay, so there are 1818 rows in our data set. Okay, so but the question is, if we continuously add values to column B, there will be no values here, or there will be no sequence number here. So this is what I'm going to illustrate today. Okay, so to do this, let's use the sequence formula. Okay, sequence, open parenthesis, and then count A. Okay, meaning to say count A, count the number of cells in a range that are not empty. Okay, that are not empty, meaning to say every time we add values or data to column that we want to refer with, it will automatically generate a row number. Okay, for example, if I continuously add values to column B, no, it will automatically generate a number. Okay, then next is I will be going to add -1. Why -1? Because I will not going to include the header or the variable name in the data set. Okay, I'll start the number or the numbering in A2 and then click on enter. So as you can see, it automatically generate numbers. Okay, so let's check the bottom part. So for example, I'll add values here and then paste it here. As you can see, there's no need for you to write the row number in column A. Okay, it will automatically generate number for you. Okay, so it will automatically until the end. So no need for you to check the number. The good thing here is that you will not get encounter error. So for example, if you do this manually, 1, 2, and then you forgot there's 3, 5, 6, 7, 9. So you will going to lose. Okay, you will lose to the sequence. Okay.